Flare-ups on the scalp, persistent and intense itching, redness and sometimes bleeding from the scalp, as well as oozing and white flakes have all caused you significant distress and concern. Scalp psoriasis is also a concern for you and you don't know what you should not do in scalp psoriasis. In today's video, I will tell you what you should stop doing immediately if you have scalp psoriasis. Hello and a very warm good morning to all our viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash. Today, I will guide you on what you should avoid doing if your scalp psoriasis makes it difficult for you to live. So, let's begin. The first thing you should stop doing is scratching your scalp. I know that the itching is unbearable, but scratching does more harm than good. When you scratch, you create micro tears in the skin, triggering the immune system and making redness and scaling worse. In psoriasis, new lesions can appear at sites of trauma. Scratching can literally spread the condition across your scalp. Constant scratching weakens hair follicles, leading to breakage and even temporary hair loss. Another big mistake is peeling off the flakes or scales. You may feel tempted to peel off white silvery flakes because they are visible and embarrassing, but pulling off scales too forcefully can damage the underlying skin. Removing scales can prematurely trigger more scaling as the skin rushes to repair itself. It may cause bleeding, pain and worsen inflammation. When dealing with scalp psoriasis, the cosmetic products you use matters a lot. Harsh shampoos, styling gels, sprays or hair dyes can worsen irritation. You must avoid shampoos with sulfates and parabens, alcohol-based sprays or gels that dry out the scalp, and excessive use of heat styling tools like straighteners and blow dryers. Now, if you are into washing your hairs too frequently, thinking that it will help reduce itching or flaking, then you must stop doing it. Frequent washing strips natural oils, leaving the scalp dry and itchy. If you wash your hair with hot water, then it may worsen inflammation and dryness. The fifth thing is to stop overheating or overexposing your scalp. Heat and extreme weather can worsen scalp psoriasis. You should avoid long hot showers or hot oil treatments, staying out in the sun too long without protection, and wearing tight hats or helmets for extended periods. They trap sweat and irritate the scalp. Alright, so I have shared what you should immediately stop doing or avoid if you have psoriasis. Now, if you are struggling with psoriasis and want a steroid-free, natural and holistic treatment that not only treats the psoriasis but also tackles the root cause of your immune dysfunction, you can call us at our number. We at Bharat Homeopathy have treated thousands of psoriasis patients worldwide with our personalized and customized Bharat Homeopathic treatment. I know living with psoriasis is really very disappointing, but don't worry. We are here to help you. Your psoriasis treatment is just one call away. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Thanks. Namaste.